Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore the exciting and ever-evolving world of supply chain management, focusing on how you can unlock new career growth opportunities in this dynamic field. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to move into leadership roles, you'll find helpful strategies, real-world insights, and practical advice to support your journey. Let's dive in and see what makes supply chain such a compelling space for ambitious professionals. Here's a quick look at what we'll be covering together in this session. First, we'll introduce the key themes behind supply chain career growth. Next, we'll discuss the importance of industry certifications and how they elevate your professional reputation. From there, we'll walk through what a typical day looks like for both analysts and managers working in supply chain roles. We'll also share powerful tips for advancing your career, before wrapping up with some key takeaways and closing thoughts. Let's start with an overview of the unique opportunities this field has to offer. Supply chain management isn't just about moving goods from point A to point B. It's a fast-paced environment packed with opportunities for people who thrive on creating value through global operations, innovation, and continuous improvement. If you embrace technical challenges, enjoy problem-solving, and love leading teams, the supply chain offers a rewarding path. Growth isn't limited to one track. Professionals can climb higher by earning certifications, taking on a variety of projects, and adapting to the latest digital trends shaping logistics and business strategy. Importantly, the most successful supply chain professionals are those who never stop learning. Staying flexible and open to change is essential, as the industry is constantly shaped by advances in automation, shifts toward sustainability, and the need for greater resilience. By staying ahead of emerging technologies, regulatory shifts, and market changes, you can position yourself for leadership roles and long-term success. Let's talk about one of the best ways to fast-track your progress: certifications. Developing expertise through continuous learning is at the heart of a successful supply chain career. Investing time in education, whether through workshops, online courses, or peer groups, helps you stay current on technology, regulations, and industry trends, which in turn prepares you for leadership roles. Certifications play a pivotal role. For example, programs like APIC, CSCP, and CPIM certifications cover everything from strategic management to inventory planning, while credentials like SC Pro from CSCMP and CPSM from ISM focus on logistics, procurement, and global supply strategies. Each of these certifications opens new doors to higher-level jobs and special assignments. But certifications do more than just build knowledge, they boost your credibility. Credentials signal to employers that you're committed to best practices, willing to keep your skills fresh, and passionate about professional development. That dedication makes you much more attractive in a competitive job market. Now, let's bring all this to life by looking at a typical day for analysts and managers in these roles. What's it really like to work in supply chain management? Much of the daily work centers on harnessing technology, using advanced tools and dashboards to track shipments, monitor suppliers, and respond proactively to disruptions. A customer focus is also essential. Both analysts and managers work closely with stakeholders to manage expectations, foster strong relationships, and use technology to drive supply chain innovation. Flexibility and problem-solving skills are crucial in such a dynamic environment. Managers, in particular, are responsible for orchestrating cross-functional teams. They resolve bottlenecks, communicate with upper management, manage budgets, and make sure supply chain strategies line up with big-picture business goals. Meanwhile, analysts dig deep into operational data, create performance forecasts, and pinpoint opportunities to improve efficiency. The end result? Supply chain teams ensure goods and information move seamlessly from sourcing to delivery, driving real value at every step. With all this in mind, how can you advance your own supply chain career? Let's take a look. Accelerating your career in supply chain demands more than just technical know-how. It's about adopting a mindset of continuous improvement. First, be proactive in networking. Connect with mentors, join professional associations, and participate in conferences or webinars to stay on top of industry trends and expand your horizons. Next, cultivate strong leadership skills. Communication, negotiation, and collaboration are essential, especially as you start influencing cross-functional teams and managing important supply decisions. Don't overlook the technical side either. Deepen your expertise in core areas like logistics, demand planning, and procurement. Try rotating through new projects and build relationships with other departments. These experiences will prepare you for senior roles and greater responsibilities. By investing in both soft and hard skills and keeping an open mind, you'll be well positioned to make the most of the opportunities supply chain management offers. Let's wrap up with some key takeaways. To sum up, building a successful, long-lasting career in supply chain management comes down to three major drivers: continuous learning, recognized certifications, and strong leadership skills. By committing to your own growth and staying active in your professional community, you'll set yourself up for advancement and long-term success. Supply chain is changing the way global business works, so now is a great time to get involved and grow with it. Thanks for joining me on this journey through supply chain career growth. Be sure to connect, keep learning, and take action toward your professional goals.